Okay, problem 75, we're asked to find the surface area of this figure. I'm not going to write the surface area equation because each of these pieces is its own shape. I'm just going to go around the shape and find all the areas of all the different surfaces. So starting in the very front, this is 8 by 13. So 8 times 13 is 104. So the front face is 104. Next, I'm going to find the area of the underneath face, which is 8 by 12. 8 times 12 is 96. So that's a rectangle that's 8 by 12. Finally, the third rectangle is 8 by 5 on the back. That'll be 40, 8 times 5. The only thing left is the triangle on the right and the triangle on the left, which are, this one's 12 for the base, 5 for the height. So we have 12 times 5 times a half, and then there are 2 of them, so we'll double it. And we get 60. If we add all that up, I believe we get 300 for our area, surface area. They didn't give us the units, but it's units squared. Okay, on to the next one. Find the surface area, number 76. Okay, this is a trapezoid on the top, so let's find the area of the trapezoid on the top. So that will be 1/2. Base 1 will be 10, plus base 2 is 35, times the height is 12, times 2 of them. Because there's a trapezoid on the top and a trapezoid on the bottom. So we'll do all that math. So this ends up being, let's see here, 45 times 12, 540. Okay, now, that's the area of the trapezoid on the top and the bottom. Now we need to find the area. There's a rectangle, 5 by 20, that's 100. This one is 10 by 5, that's 50. This rectangle is 15 by 5, that's 75. And the rectangle in the back here is 35 by 5 high, that's 175. Add all those up, we have our surface area. And that comes out to be 940 square units. Okay, next we have a pyramid. Okay. This is a rectangular pyramid, so we have to find the surface area of all the shapes. So let's start off with the rectangular bottom, 30 by 14. We'll get that answer with our calculator in a minute. We also need to find the area of this triangle, which will be 14 for the base, 14 for the base, and 24 for the height. And we'll need to double that because there's 2 of them. One here, one on the back side. We also have a different shaped triangle right here, that you can see right here. That's 30 for a base, 20 for a height, and there's 2 of those. Okay, so pause it for a second and do some calculations on the calculator. So this is the area of all the shapes. This is rectangle. These are 2 triangles on the right here and the back left. This is triangle on the front left and the back right. Add them all up, and you get 1,356 units squared. That's the surface area. Okay, now we're on to this problem, which I think is kind of difficult to do without the graph paper. So it does tell you to plot it. I think one of the easier things to try to do here is to take this shape and cut it right down the middle here, creating 2 triangles. Now, these triangles have, to find the area of this weird shape, we've cut it, creating 2 triangles, and we're going to look for the base, which will be this distance from here all the way down there. So from as high as 15, because this is 4 comma 15, all the way down to -3, that's a distance of 18. So that's the base of both of these triangles. The heights is this distance right here. That height is 4. Okay? And this height of this triangle is that from 4 all the way out to 9. I think that's a distance of 5. So we have two triangles with a base of 18, a height of 4, and a base of 18 and a height of 5. So we'll find the areas of those. We have 1/2 18 times 4 and 1/2 18 times 5. Calculate these answers. Let's see what we get. So here we get 36. Here we get 45. And the grand total area of the shape is 81 units squared.